Alright guys, we're back again. We're going to test out our CNHL 100c 2S 1500 mAh LiPos that we just got in. We're going to be running on our EMB-T custom style. It's carbon fiber build. Pretty much WL, EMB-T, that style. Yes. Get it out on the track. Hopefully everybody's having a great day today. Ooh, look at that beauty. Oh, we got a little problem. Hold on. All right, crisis averted. Dog bone's fixed. Now this is our, it's got a slipper clutch in it. It's a carbon fiber build, basically an EMB-T. And this is with our, I scared the chipmunk. These tires aren't the best on the dirt, so maybe I'll just keep off the dirt for a little bit. Great car. Like I was saying, this is with the CNHL 1500 mAh 100c 2S LiPos. Perfect. Nice jump. First time I've hit a jump with this. A little worried because of carbon fiber. Doesn't always handle the bashing as well. Oh, was a little off there. Nice. Ooh, perfect landing. Yeah, I think we're going to integrate that nice into the track. A lot more technical. Bashing as well. Oh.